Boyaga, Miss Woman's Constantine, Altana Block Court, Tia the contestants, Lotoke, on the Bay of Big DJ, music please. 好，是什么什么点的拿都来了。这个菜呢，得上街道。东菜我说是有到了等待呢，有到我那边我好里成饭。Well, hello, Miss Holly.
Hi, Joelle.
How are you doing?
I'm so happy to be here today.
Good. I'm glad that you're happy. You look gorgeous.
Thank you so much.
Next time, I'm gonna have to make sure I wear something too.
Of course.
Working too much here. So, I have a couple questions. My first question for you is, share about a really good day that you had.
A really good day I had was just the other day when I went canoeing with my family. We all had a great time on the water and spent good family time together.
Oh, also sounds like a lot of fun.
It was.
So, in addition to canoeing, was there anything else you guys did?
We did spend time together at our own house, which is just as fun as spending time on the water, and we had much time watching movies and things like that.
Oh, fun. Family time is always fun.
It is.
So, my next question for you is, how did you begin volunteering with the women's community?
Well, my mom did actually work there, so I had that connection there, and she just said, hey, you should just come and volunteer here. It wouldn't hurt to just, go here and have some fun and make new friends, perhaps. So I just decided to go with it, and it was actually a good memory, and it was fun to help those people out.
What would you say is probably maybe the best experience that you got from that opportunity?
The best experience I got from that opportunity would definitely be that I made new connections with new friends, and that I was also able to help people, which made me really happy.
Oh, awesome. So, lastly, if someone texted you right now, Who would you want it to be?
I would hope that would be my boyfriend. I really love him a lot, and he's done a lot for me, and he's like one of my #1 supporters. So I would love to hear a good job, you got this.
Aw, so aside to that then, is there anything else that you would want to hear from him then?
I guess it would be I love you and 加油, which means you got this in Chinese.
Awesome, well thank you so much and good luck to you.
Thank you.
Alright, 以上的这个的掌声，我们在欢迎送吧。Judges, you have 2 minutes to score. Hello, Miss Special.
Hi, Shua.
How are you feeling?
Feeling amazing. How about you?
Oh, I'm okay. Not too bad. Well, I have a couple questions for you. My first question for you is, where is your happy place?
My happy place would have to be at home with my family. This is my happy place because I get to spend time with my family. And not only do I get to spend time with my family, I also get good home cooking from my mom.
Oh, food is always good.
Yes.
So with that, do you have a favorite dish that she makes for you?
A favorite dish that I love that my mom makes is probably her kapong. It is the best. It's like out of the world.
Kapong is always good.
Yes.
Yeah. Well, I will have to try it next time then. So, my next question for you is, you are an aspiring medical provider. What sparked your interest in pursuing this career field?
I was interested into going into the medical field after I lost my father 4 years ago. I got to see how they were able to help him when he was in the ICU, and I want to return that favor and help in the medical field and help those as well.
Wow, awesome. So then, how long for the education or like the schooling? How long until you graduate in that field?
I'm hoping to graduate in at least 15 years. Hopefully, graduate in the next 4 years and try to get into medical school.
Wow.
So,
well, best of luck to you on that.
thank you so much.
Yeah, so then my last question for you is, what is one thing you still have from when you were little?
One thing that I still have when I was little is my baby blanket. This baby blanket signifies a lot. I have been through a lot in my life, and my baby blanket is part of my memories. So if I ever needed to go back down to memory lane, that would be one of them.
Wow, sounds really nice. So just to follow up to that, what color is your blanket?
So we are close to the border of Minnesota. So I got my baby blanket from the Hmong flea market.
Oh.
And those blankets are absolutely the best because they're so cozy and like soft. So
Well, soft and cozy is the way to go.
Yep.
Well, thank you so much, Ms. Marshall, and good luck to you.
thank you.
Alright, 以上的这个的战士的被等菜，马上谁呀？Judges, you have 2 minutes to score.